Welcome back. Today we are going to learn to and so that. Here is a question. The old man is very weak, he cannot walk. Change into so that. See, it is very simple. In the place of very, we should use so. That is point number 1. And in the place of full stop, we should apply that. Okay, this is regarding so that. Now answer is the old man is so weak that he cannot walk. So in the place of very we have applied so. In the place of full stop we have applied that. So that is alternative conjunction. So that is alternative conjunction. Now regarding to, in the place of so, we should apply to. And from conjunction onwards, we have to remove up to negative word, not. So this is the answer. The old man is too weak to walk. Simply in the place of so should apply to. From the conjunction, that onwards we have to remove up to not. In the place of these words, we should apply to. Final word is walk. This is the answer. And whenever you find is or am or are, here helping verb is can. Sometimes in the place of is, am, are, we may observe was or were. Was or were. In the second part we should write could. Listen again. In the place of is, am, are, whenever you find was or were, in the second part could. Whenever you find is, am, are, in the second part can. These are important regarding to so that. Now another question. The boy was very short. He could not pick up the fruit. Change into so that. In the place of very, you should apply so. In the place of very, you should apply so. Second one. In the place of full stop, you should apply that. Now then answer is, the boy was so short that he could not pick up the fruit. Simply in the place of very so, in the place of full stop that. Sometimes in the place of very, we may observe to. We may observe to. Then answer is same. Another question. The boy was so short that he could not pick up the fruit. Then change into to. Yeah, very simple. In the place of so should apply to. In the question we should observe conjunction is that from here onwards up to negative word we should remove them. We should remove them. In the place of these underlined words we should apply to. Then answer is the boy was too short to pick up the fruit. Listen again. Whenever you see in the question so that, change into to. In the place of so should apply to. From the conjunction that onwards up to not negative word, we have to remove them. In the place of the words we should apply to. Remaining words we should write here. Like this, pick up the fruit, here written. This is the answer. The boy was too short to pick up the fruit. Now another bit is, she was too poor, she could not help. In the place of to, should apply so. In the place of full stop, should apply that. Now answer is, in the place of to, so is applied. In the place of full stop, that is applied. She was so poor that she could not help. Now regarding next question, to is given, then change into so that. In the place of to, should apply so. Now answer is, the man is so weak. Should apply conjunction is that. Before the to should apply that, or after the adjective should apply that. After writing conjunction that, should remind what is the subject. Subject is man. Man belongs to personal pronoun is he. Now what is the verb is? Is equivalent modal verb is can. Should write not. The man is so weak that he cannot. What is the verb? Lift. Remaining word is the box. This is the answer. The man is so weak that he cannot lift the box. So whenever you find to, in the place of to should apply so. After adjective should apply conjunction that. Should remind what is the subject. Should write into pronoun. As usual, helping verb not is compulsory because to indicate negative word meaning. Verb is there, finally you should write object. This is the answer for question. Now another question is, this sum is too difficult to solve. Change into so that. This is also someone change into so that. Now answer is, the sum is, in the place of to should apply so. So difficult after that, before to infinitive should write conjunction is that. What is to be solved? Sum. By whom? People. People means nobody or we or anyone. Should give preference we only. We cannot solve. The sum is so difficult that we cannot solve. Or we may use nobody. Nobody can solve. No one can solve. So it is better to write pronoun is we. Sometimes it cannot be solved. But should give preference pronoun we only. And environment is too degraded to support communities. Now answer is environment is in the place of to, should write so. Here degraded written as usual. Before to infinitive we should write conjunction that. What is subject? It. It refers to environment. After the conjunction should write pronoun it because environment is there. Cannot support communities. This is the answer for this question.